Dom, MACH 2018, we're here. Very exciting times for Matsuura at this show. One of the highlights has got to be this new MX-520 PC4. Tell us about this machine.
Well, the MX-520, as you know, has been around now a few years, and with the success of the 10 pallet on the MX-330 over the last year, we've now introduced the PC4 on the MX-520, of which we've already actually sold this machine to a customer, an existing customer of Matsuura.
So what's the idea here? We're looking at the unmanned run again. Is this about being able to go home on a Friday, press a button and let it run over the weekend, or for an element of time?
It is that. I mean, obviously, you know, having sold many Matsuuras with multi-pallet machine tools, the focus has been from our customers to give them enough pallets to get an overnight run. So they use the machine during the day as a jobbing machine, or let's get a job set up and then run that production overnight, so that when they come back in the morning, they can start another job and then run that one overnight. So it gives them that very quick response time to their client on a short or very medium long-term batch production.
Do you think, I mean, you've had tremendous success with the 520 as a standalone machine. Do you think you're going to have as much success with one with a pallet system? Is it for everyone, or is it still a kind of a niche market?
No, I think it lends itself to more. I mean, a lot of the machines that we have sold, yes, are single table 5-axis, but what we also did was sell a lot of third-party automation. But a lot of, our customers were asking for a blue pallet system, so it's all from Matsuura.
And to get in and load, I mean, we're obviously on camera here, but it's as simple as opening the door.
Really, and you've got full access to the machine. Obviously, with the pallet system being away from the main machine, you've still got the good ergonomic entrance into the machine for your proving out and that one-off capability.
What I like about this as well is there's no better way of demonstrating what size or weight of part you can put on there. Is it pretty big?
Oh, absolutely. And I've always said it's a big machine in a small footprint. I've always said that. And I think, as I say, to those of you that have not come into MACH, please maybe come to MACH and have a look at it.
Is it fast as well to change the pallet? I mean, is there a lot of time involved in that, or is it pretty quick?
No, it's a matter of, of a few seconds. But again, the key is unmanned running. Even if it took a minute, you're not there. So it isn't a minute, it's a lot less than that. But the thing is that the whole point of a pallet solution is to put a reliable pallet solution on a very capable machine tool.
And tell me, the MX-330 has obviously been a massive hit with the 10 pallets. This and that together, they're a perfect opportunity, aren't they, for an engineer that is looking for that extensive unmanned run?
Well, absolutely. I mean, the major play this week for us at MACH is that all the Matsuuras are 5-axis, they're all multi-pallet, they're all multi-tool. We are launching the MX-520 PC4 that we're standing in front of. The MX-330, which we launched over a year ago, has been a huge success, and I can't get them quick enough. So what we're trying to say to market, those that don't know us, come and have a look at our new MX range with our integrated pallet solutions.
And I know you have a lot of involvement. You sit on the committee, don't you, for new machine designs? Was this one of yours?
It was, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Again, I've pushed again, and we are later on this year on the MX-850 at Jimtoff. We'll be launching a PC4 on the MX-850. So the whole lineup now will have its own integrated pallet solution.
Do you know, I was going to ask you that question. Is the MX-850 next? But you've answered that already. Thank you, Dom.
No problem. Thanks for coming on. Thanks.